Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Psychology Part 2 by Dear Knowledge. Okay, so we have started chapter of learning in which we have learned lots of topics. So if you have missed any of the previous lecture, I have given all the links in the description section. Go ahead, click on that link and watch that video. And in this video, this is the series of the punishment, in which we have learned about punishment by application, punishment by removal, problems with punishment. And I hope you have watched that video. Again, if you haven't watched that video, I have given all the links in the description section. Go ahead and watch those videos. In case if you still face any problem to search any of the psychological topic, any topic on which you want to find an educational video, you cannot find it, you can comment and I'll provide the link for your ease. Okay, so this video is going to be how to make punishment more effective, because before that I was telling you, I was discouraging to use punishment, because the reason behind that was the punisher get more severe because of being reinforced to punish. So there are some certain ways how to make punishment more effective, because before that I've told you there is no use of punishing a child. It have no result until you use it effectively. So there are some steps, there are some ways, and the ways to make punishment more effective involves remembering a few simple rules. So number one is going to be punishment should immediately follow the behavior it is meant to punish. And number two, punishment should be consistent. Number three, punishment of the wrong behavior should be paired whenever possible with reinforcement of the right behavior. So we're gonna discuss this one by one, then you're gonna learn more about it. So let's start with punishment should immediately follow the behavior it is meant to punish. So if the punishment comes long after the behavior, it will not be associated with that behavior. And the second one is punishment should be consistent. Now this actually means two things. First, if the parent says that a certain punishment will follow a certain behavior, then the parent must make sure to follow through and do what he or she promises to do. Second, punishment for a particular behavior should stay at the same intensity or increase slightly but never decrease. For example, if a child is scolded for jumping on the bed for the first time, the second time this behavior happens, the child should be punished by scolding or by a stronger penalty, such as removal of a favorite toy. But if the behavior or if the first misbehavior is punished by spanking and the second only by a scolding, the child learns to gamble with the possible punishment. Last but not least, punishment of the wrong behavior should be paired whenever possible with reinforcement of the right behavior. Now, instead of yelling at a 4-year-old for not washing her hands before sitting down to eat, the parent should gently pull her hand away from the plate and say something like, "No, we do not eat with dirty hands. Dirty hands makes us fall sick because the dirt can get into our stomach through our hand." Then after she washes her hand, the parent should praise her by saying something like, "Good job, now there is no dirt in your hand to make you sick." And the next time she washes hands before eating, you can say like, "I'm proud of you for remembering to wash your hands before eating." So pairing punishment, the mild correction of pulling her hand away while saying, "No, we do not eat with dirty hands," and like pairing such kind of punishment, for example like this one, with reinforcement allows parents and other people to use a much milder punishment and still be effective. So these were some of the ways to make punishment more effective and less harmful, and in this way the child will learn to stop from the behavior immediately. So you can follow any of these steps. So if you have followed any of these steps, you can also share your experience in the comment section with us, and I'll be happy to know. Okay, so this was all about today's video. If your concept is clear, you can like the video. If there was any topic, any point you did not understand, you did not get it, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. Plus, you can also share the link of this channel, the link of our videos with your family members and friends, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.